What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today got another video for you guys. I know it's been a minute, but wow, do I have some really good news on this particular video. So what you guys see in front of me, for everybody who's new to the channel, 2021 Honda Civic Type R, full bolt-on, tuned currently with the stock turbo, stock fuel, carbon fiber bits, hood, you know, C28 wheels, pretty much carbon fiber a lot of places, more coming up. But yeah, this is my 2021 Honda Civic Type R project, and I go by Skylyfe Projects for everybody who's new to the channel. You can follow me on my IG, Skylyfe Projects 86. And yes, well, what do we got going for today, right? You guys are probably wondering. Well, judging from what the title says, yes, I did pick up a brand new MHI Stage 2 turbo. It is not installed, obviously, yet. It'll be here Monday, but that is on the way. What's coming after that? XDI high flow fuel pump with 1350cc injectors. So that's coming up, as well as some fuel braided lines, things like that from JSR. So that's all coming up. Some more carbon fiber bits like the fuse cover, the APR covers are coming up. Those are also ordered. Shout out to my Boost Blue Type R homie. And yeah, I got them from him, so you guys will see that later on the channel this year. There's a lot going on for 2023, so there's going to be more videos. It's going to be more consistent, because this big turbo build is literally on its way. I mean, we are very close, y'all. So yeah, very close, and I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store for this big turbo build. Hoping it's going to be around 446 wheel, 423 on 91 octane, 446 to like 460 on an E-tune. Be running an E40 blend or E30, haven't decided exactly yet, but either way it's going to be glorious. Sorry about the junk pile in the background. Obviously bulk trash is this week, and you know, it should actually be tomorrow. So if you're wondering why that's there, that's why it's there. But there's a lot, you guys, coming up. Can't wait to show you this whole build process. I will do every single video, best of my ability, about the install process, what has to be done, what has to be taken out, what's got to be replaced, things like that. So I'm doing a full coolant drain, not flush. Literally going to drain all the coolant out and put the new Mishimoto, which I'm going to order here soon, in, as well as the pure oil gasket kit for the MHI turbo. Obviously I'm ordering that as well. So there's a lot, you guys, coming up. And you know, the M2, that still is going to be added to the channel eventually. I do not know when. I really want to finish this project first before the M2 comes into play. Therefore I won't be paying for two different projects. You see what I'm saying? So if this project is done, I can clearly focus on the G87 M2. Whenever I get that, if it requires a house flip, so be it. Something obviously drastic would have to happen for me to be able to obtain that type of vehicle. So there's a lot, you guys, coming up, and that's what this video is about. Also, I got a new drone. Yes, I got a Potensic 4K Dreamer drone, and it is just awesome. But I am a beginner, so I'm actually learning how to fly this thing. You guys might see the new intro with the drone in this video. I am not positively sure. If it's in the intro, then I got it done. So this is actually filmed before I started messing with the drone. So we'll see what happens there. Yeah. But of course, if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, throw them into the comment section. I appreciate everybody. I love my subscribers. Thank you for being a part of this journey with me, being a part of this channel. It greatly means a lot. And you guys, I am more than excited to finally get this type R build done, and it's going to be major, yo. Like, straight up. Let me show you guys one more thing too. Looking here, everyone's saying, well, Jay, what are you doing with the side skirts? Well, two options. The first option is I can paint this the faux carbon fiber. Listen to that. What the fuck, man? Paint this SGP so it'll be a full match. I love the way these you know, these side skirts are. So if I just painted them SGP, I think that would really be a solid look. Not even positively sure if you have to use a primer. Imagine you would, to put over the faux carbon fiber. Or I can do full carbon fiber, real carbon fiber CMST tuning. That's also going on the rear as well. I might have to remove this EPR piece right here, this carbon fiber, which is absolutely glorious. Love that piece. And the front lip and front splitter is on its way. So the APR splitter right here is going to be removed and it's going to be up for sale, because I'm doing a full CMST full lip replacement with the carbon fiber splitter drop down. So everything is going to be super solid. It's all going to match with the side bin. It's all going to match with the CMST carbon fiber hood. Get you guys a close up of that. Yep, it's going to be freaking glorious, bro. Straight up. Can't wait for all this to come into play. Obviously, you guys know parts take a while. I'm actually calling CMST tomorrow to see where that lip and splitter is at. But with all that being said, just wanted to give you guys an update. Wanted to keep everybody updated on the channel. I wasn't going anywhere. New Year's was super busy with the kids. Christmas was an absolute nightmare. I got everything done. I'm a very busy man with work and everything, so I appreciate everybody's patience. More is coming up for 2023. Happy New Year, everybody. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings. Always never give up. Put your best foot forward always, and never hesitate for a damn thing. Live life the way you want to live, man. Skylyfe Projects, be out.